Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I'm Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I'm going to have a class with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is Agriculture Studies. Our today's lecture number is 17 and HW number is 13. Our today's HW is CQ Chapter 2, CQ 3. You will do number D. This is HW number 13. My dear students, we have already finished our syllabus and this is an extra class for chapter 2 CQ 3. This is the chapter agricultural equipments. Now see the question. Abid Hassan is a farmer. He earns a lot of money every year by cultivating winter vegetable. This year he has observed some diseases and insects in seedbed. Agriculture officer has given him advice when he meets him. Number A, what is called seed production technique? Number B, why is rugging done in crop field? C, how shall Abid Hassan prepare seedbed? Describe. Number D, explain the solution that the agriculture officer has given for solving problem of seedbed. Now, see number A, what is called seed production technique? The answer is selection of soil, raising of seedlings, direct sowing of seeds and harvesting and storage of seeds. All these are called the seed production technique. Number B, why is rugging done in crop field? Rugging is an important procedure for keeping purity of multiplied seed. In this process, seedlings of unwanted origin are uprooted and destroyed along with the seeds. Number C, how shall Abid Hassan prepare seedbed? Describe. Seedbed must be prepared to produce seedlings. For winter vegetable seedlings, the seedbeds should be prepared in the months of Ashin and Kartik, and for summer vegetables, seedbeds are to be prepared within the month of Falgun and Ch-2. For early varieties of crops, seedbed can be made 1 month earlier. The seedlings of fruits, vegetables, seasonal flowers and agro-social forest plants are usually raised in the seed beds. The size of an ideal seedbed is usually 3 meter into 1 meter. In a standard size seedbed, usually 10 to 12 gram seeds can be sown as per classes. Seedbed should be prepared in sunny, airy, fertile highland near a source of water. It should be noted that the seedbed is at least 10 centimeters above the main land. There should have a 30 centimeter wide alley in between two adjacent seedbeds. Rotten cow dung and urea should be mixed with soil of the seedbed. Now question number D, explain the solution that the agriculture officer has given for solving problem of seedbed. So what was his problem? There was some insect in his crops. Now see the answer. Mr. Abid's seedbed has been affected by some diseases and insects. In this situation, appropriate measures need to be taken in consultation with agriculture officer, and Mr. Abid does so. Agriculture officer advises to do the followings. Usually 10 liters of water mixed with 4 teaspoonfuls of Malathion 57 EC can be sprayed in the seedbed. Infected and diseased seedlings should be uprooted carefully and be burned down or buried deep into the soil. Seedlings of cauliflower, cabbage, etc. are better to be transferred to a second seedbed before planting in the main field. When the seedlings grow faster, 10 gram urea may be dissolved in water and be sprinkled in seedlings beds. Straws may be placed on seedbed to preserve moisture. When seedlings reach the 4 to 5 weeks, these can be transplanted to the main field. Before uprooting the seedlings to transplant, the seedling bed should be moistened by sprinkling water. The best time for uprooting seedlings is the afternoon. Seedlings should be uprooted carefully with a sickle so that the root system is not injured much. The seedlings need to be carried in a basket for transplantation. For transplantation of a seedling, a pit should be prepared in the field with a sickle, and the seedling should be placed in the pit just as it was in the seedling bed. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.